Problem. A liquid rises by a height of 5.2 centimeter in a capillary tube of diameter 0.82 millimeter. How high it will rise in another tube of radius 0.025 centimeter. Let us first analyze this problem. This problem is related to the topic of surface tension. In particular, the problem deals with rise of liquid in two capillary tubes of different radii. The equation which connects surface tension with other parameters of the liquid in a capillary tube is surface tension capital T is equal to R into H into D into G upon 2 cos theta. In this equation, capital T is the surface tension, R is the radius of capillary tube, H is a rise of liquid in capillary tube, D is the density of liquid, G is the acceleration due to gravity, and theta is the angle of contact. Let us write this equation for the situation where there are two capillary tubes of different radii. Writing surface tension equation for each capillary tube, we get T1 equal to R1 into H1 into D1 into G upon 2 cos theta 1, T2 equal to R2 into H2 into D2 into G upon 2 cos theta 2. As the liquid in both the capillary tubes is the same, the surface tension definitely is the same. Hence, we can equate these two equations to get R1 H1 D1 G upon 2 cos theta 1 equal to R2 H2 D2 G upon 2 cos theta 2. As the liquid is the same in both the capillary tubes, the value of density of liquid and the angle of contact are the same. Hence, cancelling out identical values from both sides, we get R1 H1 equal to R2 H2. In this equation, there are 4 variables. Hence, if the values of 3 variables are given, we can find out the value of the 4th variable. In this problem, the values of R1, R2 and H1 are given. By substituting these values in the equation, we get the solution to the problem, namely the value of H2. Solution. This problem deals with the topic of surface tension. The relevant equation to solve this problem is R1 H1 equal to R2 H2. In this equation, the values of R1, H1 and R2 are given. We want to find out the value of H2. Hence, rearranging the equation, we get H2 equal to R1 H1 upon R2. The values of R1, R2 and H1 are given as diameter equal to 0.82 millimeter, radius R1 equal to 0.41 millimeter, and that is equal to 0.041 centimeter. Radius R2 equal to 0.025 centimeter, and rise of liquid H1 equal to 5.2 centimeter. Substituting these values in this equation, we get H2 equal to R1 H1 the whole divided by R2 equal to 0.041 into 5.2 upon 0.025. Simplification of the equation gives H2 equal to 8.53 centimeter. That is the required solution.